Welcome to the world of online learning. We at GK Online Learning Tutorial provides its subscribers the topics from software engineering, project management, quality management, strategic management, mathematics and other topics. Today's topic is software requirement engineering. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for continuous support.
Modeling techniques. System modeling is the process of developing abstract models of a system with model representing a different view or perspective of that system. It's a mean of representing a world view, a detailed view of the system using same kind of graphical notation. Some common used conceptual modeling techniques and methods include workflow modeling, workforce modeling, rapid application development, object role modeling, and the Unified Modeling Language or UML. Starting with data flow diagram or data flow modeling. A data flow model is a diagrammatic representation of the flow and exchange of information within the system. Data flow models are used to graphically represent the flow of data in an information system by describing the processes involved in transferring data from input to file, storage and report generation. Data flow diagram. A picture of the movement of data between external entities and the processes and data stored within the system. It has a difference from system flowcharts. DFD describes the logical data flow independent of technology, where a set of flowchart depicts the details of physical systems. So these are all the DFD symbols proposed by DeMarco and Jordan symbols in the left and Jane and Sourcelsink symbol in the right. That is the first one, which is process, data store, source or sink, and then data flow. See, there are certain rules while we are constructing a data flow diagram. From the left, it is been clear that no process can have only inputs or only outputs. Process must have both inputs and outputs. Process label should be web phrases. This is the first rule. Rule number 2. All flows to or from a data store must move through a process. That is, what is been given in the left, that is totally wrong. It must flow through a data store. That is, all flow towards or from a data store must move through a process. That is a middle activity, that is been a process. Data store label should be of noun phrases. The third one, no data moves directly between external entities without going through a process. Interaction between external entities without intervening processes are outside the system and therefore not represented in the DFD. Source and sink label should be of noun phrases. The next rule, bidirectional flow between process and data store is represented by two separate arrows, not in single arrow. Forked data flow must refer to exact same data item, not different data items. So here it has been given A and B, but that is totally wrong. It must be A. If it is labeled A, then the next one will be also A. From a common location to multiple destination. The next one, joined data flow must refer to exact same data item, not different data item, from multiple sources to a common location. Data flow cannot go directly from a process to itself, must go through intervening processes. DFD levels. Context DFD. Overview of the organizational system. level 0 DFD, representation of systems major process at high level of abstraction. Level 1, results from decomposition of level 0 diagram, and level n, etc. level n, result from decomposition of level n minus 1 diagram. So here there are certain diagrams are being described starting from context diagram. It shows the system boundaries, external entities that interact with the system, and major information flows between entities and the system. So the system is being given as food ordering system. The inputs from customer, kitchen to kitchen, and to the restaurant manager. This is a context diagram of Oyster's Burgers food ordering system. Then comes level 0 DFD. Level 0 DFD shows the system's major processes, data flows, and data stores at the highest level of abstraction. That is, in the first category, in level 0, we mentioned as 1. Then 2, here it has been given 2, 3, and 4. Then comes level 1 diagram. Level 1 DFD describes the sub-process of one of the processes in the level 0 DFD. That is, there we mentioned about 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is mentioning as 1.1, 1.2, 2.1, 2.2, etc. And etc. level n diagram. Level n diagram or level n DFD shows the sub-process of one of the process in the level n minus 1 DFD. This is a level 2 DFD for process 4.3. So if it is 4.3, in the next level it will come as level 4.1.1, 4.1.2, 4.2.1, 2.3, etc. Here it is 4.3, so it will be 4.3.1, 4.3.2, etc. And the last one, nested DFD, that is, which combines all, that is from 1, then 1.1, then 1.1.1, then like that, 1.1.1.1, etc. like that. So this is the end of the session. If you are having any queries, please write to me to the mail ID given in the channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for your continuous support. Thank you.